Hey, I'm Katie with WTI, and you know what I just love? These classy bar stools by Love's Patio. They have really helped to elevate the style in my kitchen. I love that they are a perfect balance of masculine and feminine. They have this nice deep blue color and the black metal legs, but then it's softened by the velvet and the almost clamshell shape. I like how it kind of mixes industrial with mid-century modern, and they just look great in our kitchen. Not to mention look good, but they are so soft. This velvet, I can't stop running my hands across it, and they're very comfortable. We have a house full of cats, kids, and a dog, so I was worried about how they would hold up under the constant use and under all of the fur. But I can gladly say that yes, fur definitely gets attached to them like it does any surface in our home, but it is really easy to wipe away. The quality of these chairs is visible. They are so well put together. And speaking of put together, they came in only two pieces, the seat and the legs. So it literally took 2 minutes to put these together. Just 4 screws in the bottom and you are ready. I think these stools would look beautiful in any home. So why not yours? And that's my point of view.